folks. It's just me messing around again. See, they have these, the 86s and 87s have these muffler guards. And I'm going to get it blasted and powder coated probably. But these little pieces, the little clamps, they're always rusted. So I went on eBay and I bought one of these. I'll show you. See if I open this here. Come on, it's been opened. And it's a new old stock. It's a muffler clamp guard thingamajiggy, and I wanted to see if this would fit on here. See, and it might. It looks like it. A little bit of bendiness. It looks like it could possibly work. Because if the muffler, like, do we have a front headstock here somewhere? Where is it? There we go. There's one. It goes on here, like this. See? Like that. Open this up. Open that up. Goes on there like that. Now the problem is they don't make these little bands anymore. But see, that might work. May have found a solution to my problem. The other thing they make, they have these, but they have little ridges on it. So this should solve my problem. I have to move this back a little here, see? Might have to just bend it a little somehow. But it seems like it would work. It's a little higher there. If I moved this, if I get the little exhaust cushioning in here, see if I just had the exhaust cushion right in here, I could probably, this side appears like it's a little better. But yeah, this side looks like it would hold. See? There. That. So, found one. I think I found two. But the other ones that seem to be still kind of available all have little like jaws in them. So I was like, worst case, I could cut the little jaws off and still use it. But yeah, it's a little, I think it's called a muffler band protector. This one seems a little bit too long for this side, but it seems like it's perfect for this side. I mean, I could always fight with it. See, that one's just a little bit off, but yeah, if I moved it back a little, it probably work. This is pretty good. So anyway, that little piece was like 20 bucks. New old stock, not made anymore. And I have, here, I'll show you. See, the problem is, the problem is this. See the corrosion on that? Look, this is yeah, it's almost the same size. See, almost the same size. This one is slightly longer. If I get the other one, I could always cut it the right length and then punch the hole in there, grinder and file it. But as you can see, these things, this part is screwed. It's very, very, so worst case, I don't know. Worst case, I find a long piece like this and just, but yeah, look, you see threads on that? See how the threads are? So I got two of these. This one was a little banged up. I think I banged it back. I actually think I have another one. So yeah, they are quite expensive, these little things. And why does that one look, oh, let's see. They look different, but not really. So my next other problem is getting this thing off. It's been, I gotta send a bunch of these out. This piece, see, all the seam here. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Like this one's, there we go. So just wanted to test this out. Like I said, if I find a couple of more cheap ones that are a little longer, there's actually a flat one too on eBay that I've seen. So I'm gonna keep picking these off in case I don't tell anybody. That's my plan. So toodles. Thanks for watching. Have fun.